Alright guys, what is up? I'm here with my wife and we are going to Wekiwa Springs. This line is insane. Make sure you guys get here super early. The curse, it's real. This whole place is a trap.
You all probably guessed it. I'm still in line. Still in line!
I forgot to charge the camera batteries. So hopefully this is not a short vlog. We're still in this line. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, we can see the entrance to the state park now, but I realized something just now whenever I took the turn. Make sure you guys are coming from the 434 side, not 436. So whenever you go to turn into the park, you're making a right-hand turn because you can't come from the other way and the line backs up all the way down that side.
Good morning guys, how you doing?
Good, how are we
doing? $6.
$6?
Say 6 doll hairs?
Doll hairs?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I didn't say doll hair.
I got that weird interaction on
Yes sir, and we just made it inside of here. We're looking for a place to park now. It's absolutely packed this early in the morning. It's 8:54 and there was already a huge line waiting to get in. This place does fill up pretty quick, so I would suggest for you guys to get here early. Should we cut? Check this out. It's basically 9 something and the park is already at capacity. So definitely on the weekends at least, get here probably an hour before opening so you guys can get a spot. We got Joseph here. We got John.
It's lit.
Little gator.
Canoeing was really fun. We had a blast out there. We saw a bunch of alligators, and I think I would definitely suggest kayaking over canoeing. Wekiwa Springs State Park is about 20 minutes from downtown Orlando and about 30 from UCF and Full Sail University. The entry fee here is about $6 per car and you can fit up to 8 people in your vehicle. This spring is really popular because of the proximity to the theme parks like Universal, Disney, but I'll definitely be going to other springs to show you guys. And that is our day here at Wekiwa Springs State Park. I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed swimming and going canoeing with us. That definitely was a new one on our list. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And for more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. God bless you.